So today,
Look, kid, I'm a teacher. Make me do the dance, kid.
yes, we can make Andrew do it. So this is a quick, will be a quick overview of how you can do something similar. So I've actually got some of these things laid out like a traditional rig for a character, so that you can get this foreshortening and stuff. So first off, make a rig. Make a good rig. Follow my tutorial that I have for making a rig.
I'm not in it, but you can always come back and I'll still
Yeah,
be
like
here,
actually look at it, or look at someone else's tutorial, okay? Frankly,
We probably are.
yeah, and if that doesn't work, then look at the millions of other tutorials. So,
I don't for Guru, right?
what?
I think of a random Blender YouTuber that you keep talking about. Shout out to Blender Guru.
Blender Guru, CG Geek, CG Matter, Default Cube, millions of others. CG Cookie, most of them starting with CG. That's why I started with Blender and then CGI instead of CG. Okay, so we've got this. Make a rig. Follow some tutorials for that. There are a million. There are even some of my tutorials are about that. So do that. Set up your basic inverse kinetics things so that you can do stuff like this. And then we're going to want to weight paint this, okay? They added weight paint again. So basically, we're going to go into this section here and the weight paint thing.
Hey, blue.
Yes, well, most of you. So, blue are the spots where it's least affected by that bone. Light blue is slightly more green, slightly more yellow is right before red and orange, and then red's the most, like 100%. So first you're going to have some names here. Name your.
I think I have a hit condition, Theodore.
Yes. So name your bones.
I'm gonna name this one George and this one Carl.
Name your bones. Do not have anything that you don't need on.
Yeah, sure. No tailbones. Tailbones suck.
No, not like that. So turn off anything you don't need. So, as you can see, I've just got this. I don't think I need the torso. So here we've got what we need. We're just going to weight paint it, okay? And it makes the process so much easier if you if you turn off the layers, because then if you don't and you're trying to weight paint and say you're trying to do
everybody, just turn them off.
Try to do the bicep. So that's not a good example. The palm or something.
My palm condition, Theodore. My palm really hurts because it's all red.
And you just want to get the hand, then you'll be like, oh, that's easy. No, look, you're trying to weight paint. Oh, it's going all over. See? It's going all over. Just trust me, this happens. People totally do this to weight paint.
Wow. Is that smart or stupid?
No, that was me being sarcastic. So, just don't be bad. Basically,
don't be bad, be good, be best.
I'm just going to quickly fix something. Clicks, it'll click, and oh wait, this should be clicks, right click. This should be clicks, middle click. Okay. So now that that's fixed, so just do that. Don't be an idiot.
Don't. Being an idiot is just so overrated right now.
If you can make something easier.
We don't need any more.
if you can make something more precise and easier at the same time, will you do it? Give them the answer.
Yes.
Yes, you do. You do it. That sounded like a question, Andrew. This
I'm
applies
sorry,
to.
it's one of those things where I'm not focusing on something and the teacher calls on me and I somehow get the right answer. I don't know.
Okay, so pretty much, don't be an idiot. Lock some of your layers up.
Lock them up.
So then, if you get some, then check over here. Do you get some weird errors or things not like that? I still need to fix that. That's kind of weird.
Everybody. My name is Andrew and I'm waving my hand at you. Haha.
So if you, some things are
I just
don't push the drawing to its limits because it's not meant to go like that. But some things you might actually need to fix. Like sometimes there are just vertices or a vertex that won't go anywhere. So fix those. Do it one at a time, very carefully.
Very carefully.
And
if you do it too rigorously, you'll mess up.
And give. I think I might have talked about this earlier, but give your armature some depth, and you can do pretty much anything you can do with a 3D model, because this might look awkward from a side view, but from front view, yeah, that looks not too bad. It looks like someone's lifting up their leg. But
there's this weird bone, and there's a rectangle on my chest.
Oh, this rectangle is just for that. So just try to make your life easy, guys. And pretty much just carry out how you would rig something else. Because it's very similar.
My neck really hurts now.
Okay.
That actually felt pretty good. A nice massage.
And one advantage to doing 2D like this is you can do stuff like this really easily with just a few simple effects and the grease pencil effect thing and a few keyframes. So that, I guess that's the tutorial. I wanted to keep it short. And yeah, bye. Guys, I'm going to put down a 2D thing where you can a 2D grease pencil file where you can practice this. It's of a Pokemon that Andrew requested that I draw because I was asking him, what would you like me to draw? And he happened to be talking about Pokemon, so then when he didn't hear me, I was like, okay, name a Pokemon you would like me to draw. And then he named like a million, and then I just picked the one that looked the coolest but was simple. Okay, bye.